Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Alyssa Marie, and yes, I'm wearing the same shirt I've had on in the last 3 videos. If you don't know what videos I'm referencing, one is a tutorial on this look, another one is one titled The Truth, and then the third one is this one, the FabFitFun Fall box of 2018. So if you can choose, so this is a subscription box, and it is a quarterly subscription box, which means it comes out 4 times a year. So you can choose to do that, pay for it those 4 times, or you can be a yearly subscriber, and I think you save like $10-20 if you pay for all 4 boxes up front, which is what I do. And then you get benefits like you can choose what things you want from the options that they give you in the box, and you get priority shipping. So I actually missed the time you get to choose what things you wanted, so this is all gonna be a surprise to me, like it's gonna be a surprise to you. So this is their fall box, and they have cute little pumpkin spice lattes all over it, and it is in support of right action for women, and each box is in support of something. I can't remember what the summer box was, but this one is in right action for women. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. It is filled with beautiful fall colors on the outside. Right away, normally you get a little sample of some type of health good, and I guess this box is in sponsorship with Luna, and they give you a little coupon off a box if you purchase. Then every box always comes with a FabFitFun magazine that just has different fun articles in it and tells you about the products, and it gives you all the products. So usually the first side of the spread is all the things everyone got, and then you get into the you could have gotten this or that, or this or that, or this or that, and so on and so forth. And so we'll go through each section once we get to the product. They have the watch list, because if you become a FabFitFun member, they do have FabFitFun TV, which has Friendsgiving recipes they're showing, pumpkin spice and everything nice, gifts from the kitchen, workout videos, meditation videos, rainy day cheat sheet, how much should you use, beauty 101. This is talking about the products that you get within the box. The ultimate makeup how tool, instead of how to, talking about makeup brushes, 50 ways to show gratitude. That's awesome. I love that. I would definitely be using that. That's pretty much the gist. It's basically a magazine based on fitness and health, and it's geared towards most of the things that you're receiving in your box. And each box is $50, but you're receiving over $250 worth of product. And almost always, I'll be completely honest with you guys, I hate subscription boxes because I feel like I don't use a lot of stuff. And usually, almost always, I use every single thing in this box. If not, there'll be at least one thing that I'm like not so happy with, but usually there'll be something else in there that's already basically the same price of what I paid for the box, and I'm like, this whole box is worth it, if that makes sense. So, and usually if I don't use that one product, I give it away as a gift or to a sister or something. So the first thing we have is a simply whimsical tea towel, and it looks like this, which actually matches my kitchen. So that's cool. Maybe not the most exciting thing, but you can always use kitchen towels. And it says this set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. So these would be good for, you know, drying dish towels, putting up in your kitchen, just your standard kitchen towel. There's nothing too exciting about this, but you can always use a good kitchen towel. So that will be going in my kitchen. Next we have 2 Glam Glow bubble sheets. Oxygenating, am I saying that right? Deep cleanse mask, and they're just regular tree mask, green tea leaf detox, and it says, watch it activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. And then they also give tips for the product. So their tip says, place the mask onto damp skin and leave on for approximately 3 minutes. Once removed, massage and the remaining bubbles and rinse. So that's cool. They give you 2 of those. And Glam Glow is a fabulous brand. I use one of their moisturizers, the Volcasmic moisturizer. I absolutely love that for my cheeks, especially in the wintertime. So we have that. We have our Luna bar, and I got the flavor salted caramel nut, which I already know I'm about to love, and I kind of want to eat it, to be honest. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll eat it while we chit chat, you know? Give you guys the full experience, let you know how it tastes. It tastes like a cookie. Says it's made from recognizable ingredients like dates and nuts, making it a nutritious snack. That's good. And it's cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. Next we have Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel. It says with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom, the Italian collection, limited edition. I've actually never heard of this brand. So oftentimes I get sent products through my FabFitFun that I've never heard of, and then I end up loving. It says this is a multi-purpose shower gel, and it's inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, and it is deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose, basically what I just said. Tip: you can use this as a shower gel or create a bubble bath. Your girl likes a good old-fashioned bubble bath. So let's give this a good old-fashioned whiffaroonie. I can't get this off. And I'm not going to want to bite it because then it's going to taste like it. And I bit it anyway. And it tastes like it. This smells like some type of face wash that I use, and I can't remember which one. Oh, the Origins, like face and cheeks. That's what this reminds me of. Very lemony, basil-y. Smells good. I mean, it's refreshing. I'd definitely take a bubble bath in this. I don't know if I'd use it as a shower gel. Next, we have, for all the beauty gals out there, you're going to like this one, the beauty blenders. That's awesome. I mean, that right there. So beauty blenders are $20. I just got myself a new beauty blender for the month. There we go. Okay, so those 5 things, the Luna, the shower gel, the towels, the beauty blender, and the sheet masks, are 5 things everyone's getting in their fall boxes. The next things are you either got this or you got that. So we're just going to pull out from the box. Yeah, I'm talking about my mouthful, sorry. I'm just being real with you guys. This next product is right here in the magazine. It looks like, so most of them there's 2 options, but this one you had one of 3 options. So if you are an annual member on the annual plan, you get to choose which one. And the one I got is, the 3 of the products are all from Grown Alchemist. I think I've heard of it, but I've never used their products. And they're 3 different things from Grown Alchemist. And the one that I received is the Hydro Restore Cream Cleanser. Is that what I received? Hydro Repair, no. Oh, I got the Hydro Repair Day Cream with Camellia, Geranium, Blossom. So that was the one option. The other option is Hydro Restore Cream Cleanser with olive leaf and plantago extract. And then the next one is a polishing facial exfoliant with pink grapefruit and glaucominin extract. And I'm so glad I didn't get that because I hate grapefruit scented things. Even though I love the Neutrogena anti-acne lotion. So, oh wow, this is like, it's cute because it's like in a little painter's tube. You get 2.19 fluid ounces, and it says that it is free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens, no lauryl sulfate, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrance, no nitrosamine releases, no DEA, no TEA, no parabens, no parabens, no synthetic colors, and no glycols. I don't know what half that stuff is, so that's great. It's good. Good it's not in there. Alright. It says, this day cream is chock full of active ingredients like chamomile, rosehip oil, and jojoba oil to visibly improve hydration, balance natural sebum levels, soothe skin, and repair UV damage. And these, all 3 of the, two of those options, this one included, goes for $49. So this and the Restore Cream are $49 each, and then the polishing facial exfoliant is $67. Now my roommate also gets this box, so I hope she gets the polishing exfoliant because your girl want to try that. And it also has a coupon inside to save 20% plus free shipping. So we're gonna give that moisturizer a go. You know your girl loves a good old-fashioned moisturizer. Next we have a Catherine Maladrino umbrella, and you could either get that in red floral or black and white floral, or you got the Silo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds, and I'm glad I got the umbrella, and I obviously got it in the black and white, like that pattern. I have my Beats wireless headphones, so I'm glad I didn't get those. And then it looks like you can either get a Vince Camuto Lacto in black or red desert, or you can get a Crown Brush 6-piece brush set in black or rose gold or silver. And it looks like I got the Vince Camuto purse. Oh, it smells like fresh out of the factory. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're gonna like that. But this is a really nice color for fall. I'm gonna like this. This will be a great work tote. Just throw what you need and go. And it looks like it's the perfect size for a laptop too. It is vegan leather and it has a little pouch in here too. Doesn't seem like it opens that wide, so I feel like you won't be able to pack it too full, but it's still cute and good for school, laptop, library, work, you know, all that fun stuff. So next we have a Touch and Soul metallic liquid foil lipstick duo in penny, and this retails, oh, that purse, sorry, the purse is $130. Yikes. I would not pay $130 for that, honestly. This retails for $25, or you could have gotten the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. Kind of wish I got that. That retails for $38. Or the Cuscio Semitology Yoga Detox Bath. That retails for $40. Also kind of wish I got that because I have so many lip products. But, and I'm not a big fan of the metallic lips. That's just me. So you have a metallic side, looks like that. I actually kind of like that, to be honest. It says includes a glittery gloss on one and a metallic liquid on the other. That gloss is pretty though. Can honestly go on right now. I'm not the biggest fan of metallic, so a little on. Didn't put on a lot, but that's what it looks like. And lastly, you could have either received an Alfred teapot, which is a ceramic and stainless steel teapot, or an Alfred French press coffee press. So I hope my roommate got the coffee press because your girl got the teapot. Ooh. Breaks it before she even gets it out of the box. And the French press retails for $22. Oh, cute! So I know you put the loose tea leaves in here, right? But so then, do you put then that in the pot and then pour the hot water through there and let it soak? Or pour boiling water over tea leaves? Okay, yeah. So I was like, or the second option is you put it on a hot plate, but I don't think you want to do that because it's glass. So that is awesome. I always wanted one of these. I love Teavana. No, this is from like an LA-based tea room, but I don't think we have it in Atlanta. And it's super, super cute. It'll look even cute as a decoration in the kitchen. So I'm really happy about that, and I low-key hope my roommate got the French press because we're big coffee gals over here. So yeah, that's it for this month's, well, it's not the month, this quarter's FabFitFun. This was the fall box. So let me know down below if you guys go ahead and purchase them. And if you do purchase it and you do like it, I do strongly recommend being an annual member, because then again, all those options that you saw, you get to choose which ones you wanted. So instead of getting that lip gloss, I could have chosen to get the Pharmacy eye cream, but you do have to keep up with the emails and make sure, because they like set up a little time slot where you can go, and by time, it's not like you only have 10 minutes, it's like 24 hours, but your girl slacked and missed it. So yeah, so be sure and subscribe. Check out the other video where I showed you how I created this look. Make sure you watch my The Truth video. Watch all my videos. I'm just kidding, just the ones that you like. And stay tuned and hit the bell for the next video. I should have another tutorial coming up after this, and I will see you guys then. Bye, beauties.